Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today's video is a bit different. I wanted to open up about something that's been on my mind lately, why I'm so passionate about Bitcoin education, and why I've been frustrated with the misconceptions that surround it. If you're someone who's skeptical about Bitcoin or sees it just as a speculative asset, this video is for you. The misconceptions that hurt Bitcoin, I get it. Bitcoin has an image problem. When people hear the word Bitcoin, they think of NFTs, meme coins, or these flashy crypto bros pushing get rich quick schemes. It's no wonder people lump Bitcoin in with these fads and write it off as something speculative or risky. But here's the thing, Bitcoin isn't just another crypto, it's not a stock, and it's not a gamble. It's the most transformative money the world has ever seen, and I truly believe that if more people understood it, it could change lives. What Bitcoin really is, Bitcoin is freedom, it's fairness, it's the antidote to a broken financial system that keeps most people stuck while rewarding the few who are closest to the money printers. Unlike dollars, euros, or yen, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. No one can create more of it, and no central authority controls it. It's a decentralized system that gives power back to individuals. And most importantly, it's a tool to preserve the value of your time and energy for future generations. Why educating people about Bitcoin matters. I think the reason I'm so passionate about this is because I see how the current system takes advantage of people. Most people don't understand how their money works, how inflation eats away at their savings, and how fiat currency is constantly being devalued, and how the system is rigged to keep them running in place for the rest of their life. Bitcoin is the solution, but people don't see it that way because of the noise surrounding it. That's why I do what I do, why I make these videos. I want to cut through the noise, break down the misconceptions, and help people see Bitcoin for what it really is, a lifeline. If you've been skeptical about Bitcoin, I hear you. Maybe you've seen the headlines or heard the stories about scams and losses, but here's what I want to say. Take a step back and look beyond the noise. Bitcoin isn't about quick gains or speculation. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about and use money. And the sooner you understand it, the better prepared you'll be for the future. My mission is simple, to help people understand Bitcoin and by doing so, empower them to take control of their financial future. But I need your help. If you've had doubts or misconceptions about Bitcoin, leave a comment below, tell me what's holding you back or what you don't understand, and let's have an honest conversation. And if you found this channel helpful at all, please share this video with someone who might need to hear this message. Together, we can change the narrative around Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't just for techies or investors, it's for everyone. It's for you, your family, and your future. Let's break through the noise, challenge the misconceptions, and build a brighter, more equitable financial future. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, together let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.